right, going on a last minute, spur of the moment camping trip. I don't have much daylight left and I'm not going to vlog much, so I'm headed straight to camp. So I'm going to turn the camera off and I will see you when I arrive at camp.
Let's take a hike through the night at old Campwood. That place is almost hell, they say. We'll get stalking, slash just like it's 1980. We've got no beer and plenty to go around. We'll tell ghost stories, get scared to death. Go straight in, dipping that blue hot sand. Let's go!
Well, I was going to try to ride my bike in here, and as soon as I got down here, I just realized it's all sand, and I'm not trying to get caught up in some sand. So these are walk-in campsites, and they're free, and I'm about ready to take one of these right here. Maybe this one right here by this cool tree. This one's way down here all by itself. Sold. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be my spot for the night. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is sweet. This might be one of the coolest camp spots I've ever had. I'm gonna take it. I'm not gonna sit here and talk to the camera because the sun's about to go down, and I need to get some crap done. All right. Camp is set up, and I didn't vlog much on the way here or record much because I was racing the sun. I wanted to get here before it got dark, and I did. I got everything set up right before dark. The sun just went behind the hill. What up, everybody? Mahavis here. I came out camping last night. Kind of cold, but I'm okay. First off, you know, I watch a lot of moto camping videos, and I'm just wondering, how the hell do you guys camp in one-man tents? This is a two-man tent, and it's perfect amount of space. I wouldn't want any less. But anyway, in fact, if anything, I'd want more, because I'm to the point where I kind of wish I could put all my gear inside the tent with me instead of, like, you know, keeping it outside in this, what they call it, vestibule area or whatever. My shoes are over here. Well, my point of saying this is, I think I set up 10 on top of an ant hill or something. I even see them inside my boot. I saw one in there anyway. So anyway, I got a new 4-man tent, and I probably should maybe bring it. It's not really that much more to pack than this, so I may try the 4-man tent next time. But anyway, I haven't wanted to get out of the sleeping bag because it's been cold, but I think it's about time to get moving. Oh my gosh, so many ants. Alright, let's see what it looks like out here today. Ooh, nice little spot I got here, didn't I? Alright. Yes. Nice little camping spot for sure. So welcome to America's newest national park. So the coronavirus stimulus bill included funding to make New River Gorge National Bridge, a national river, into a national park. So that's good for us, that's good for the area, it's good for West Virginia, it's good for tourism, it's good for funding, and it's really well deserved. I mean, this is just, we're at Glade Creek right now, we're not even in the national park area. Maybe we are, I'm really not sure. what's deemed national park and what isn't. I don't have all the facts. You can go look them up, but all I know is this area is beautiful, and I've been wanting to make a video about this area ever since I started making YouTubes. And I never have because of all kinds of different reasons, but I think it's time to now since it's a national park now. But this here is the new river. We're on the new river right now, and it's beautiful. And what I was thinking is I'm going to let my tent dry out a little bit, make some breakfast, and get on the road and go show you guys the cool stuff. I'm going to stop at 2 state parks and America's newest national park on my way home today. So, hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so while I'm waiting on the sun to come up and drop my tent, I'm going to make some breakfast. Keep it super simple, yo. Oatmeal and coffee, okay? Last night I had a almond Snickers, 2 apples, and some deer jerky. You think I want to film that and put that on YouTube? That's the most uninteresting meal ever. But I do want to show you my solo stove. That thing's going to warm my water to make my oatmeal, and it's really cool. I had a fire last night. I had it going last night, and super easy to maintain, super small. Didn't put a lot of effort into it, put out a lot of light. I like it. So I'll show you my solo stove. But other than that, I'm not cooking no fancy meals and go camping. I'm not taking time to do all that stuff. Coolers and all that crap. I mean, I don't really want to. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so this thing's pretty cool. I just kind of set my fire starter down in there. Alright. So let that get going. It's pretty cool. It don't take much. See all the wood I processed? Just little sticks. Like, you don't have to build a big campfire. That's what's really cool about it. Maybe set that one there. So we'll let that catch, and then I'll get my water ready, and really it don't take too long for it to start boiling. Pretty cool. Alright, I think it's going. We'll see. Hope it don't go out. Put my water up here. And hopefully it will stay lit and my water will get boiled. But the cool thing about this is, yeah, there it is. It's taking off. You just keep feeding it in here when it gets low, and it's just the neatest thing. I really like this thing. I recommend a solo stove to anyone. They make the big ones, but I like this little small one. It's sweet. But we'll see how long it takes to get my water boiling, and then we'll have breakfast. Oh yeah. For sure. All right, instant coffee. Oatmeal. And oatmeal. white instant black Starbucks coffee. Let me see. Oh, it smells good. Just having coffee at a campsite is just a pleasure in itself. I don't know if I like it or not, but it doesn't really matter. I'm just happy to have some coffee. All right. I'm all packed back up. Ready to hit the road. Go see the national park and 2 state parks, maybe 3. Maybe. And, well, anyway, so yesterday I came down this hill. I had to come down to get to the river. It's a dirt road, gravel. Yeah, yesterday I tried to drive into my campsite and I hit sand and I freaked out because my back tire sunk down. Felt like $1 million bugging for a second and turned around. Still almost dropped my bike, but after getting off my bike and assessing the situation, I probably would have been fine riding on into my campsite. But I parked here. And just walked my stuff in. It wasn't that long. And I knew my bike would be safe, so it's all good. Let me climb up out of this river area and we'll go visit the new River Gorge National Park. It'll be sweet. Yeah, so here we are at Babcock State Park. You know, everybody knows this place for the mill down by the river, but if you go up the hill, there's a couple beautiful scenic overlooks. So this is the state park, Babcock State Park. And like I said, it has a couple, if you go up the hill, it has a couple beautiful scenic overlooks. And this is the one at the very top. And I love it up here. As far as I'm concerned, the whole state of West Virginia is a state park and a national park because everywhere you go here is beautiful. I love my state. And I'm glad to be sharing it with you guys on the internet, and hopefully y'all enjoy it too. Well, here we are at the New River Gorge Bridge. It's probably the most famographed. It's probably the most famous, most photographed section in maybe West Virginia, and part of the new national park. This bridge is awesome. See all the steps I've already walked down. Several more to go, no big deal. Get out, do this stuff while you can. You know, the last time I was here, I don't remember going down this far. I remember going to that. I don't remember going down all the way down. I just don't remember. After we're done here, we'll drive down to the very, very bottom and look back up at the bridge. Yeah, I don't remember there being this many steps here. But I think we're pretty much down at the bottom. Almost there. So after we leave here, we'll go all the way down to the bottom and then drive across back this way. See that little bridge down there? I'm gonna drive my bike down there and we can look back up at the bridge. So you can get a better idea how tall it is. Because this bridge is tall. And it's awesome. It's beautiful. But there's the road that we'll take. to get down there. All right, well, let's do this. All right, made it down to the bottom. You know, there's so much to do in this area. I could make like 15 videos, but I just thought I'd visit the bridge and show you guys the bridge. I haven't showed you the bridge since I started making videos. I assume that most of the people that subscribe to my channel are either Facebook friends at this point or already live in West Virginia. But well, you know just as much as anybody else how awesome this area is. So just trying to make a video, put it out there for other people to watch. Hopefully they'll want to come to West Virginia and check everything out. Here I am at Carnifex Ferry Battlefield State Park. I've never been to this state park before, and this will be my third one that I've documented since I said I was going to start documenting. But apparently there's a battle that took place here. But what I really want to see is the scenic overlook here. Let's check out this scenic overlook. Oh yeah, it's nice. And I believe this is the Gauley River, and not the New River. And the Gauley River actually has more higher rated rapids for whitewater rafting. Pretty cool how it horseshoes around the mountain there. What kind of horseshoes? Pretty cool. It's about time I make my way back home. I may make one more stop on the way home, but I'm starting to run out of daylight again. Another day starting to come to an end, and I need to get home before dark. So I may stop one more time and film one more time before we go. But if I don't, I appreciate everybody watching my videos. And I hope everybody has a good week and day. If you think about it, give me a sub. And like and comment and all that good stuff. It helps out. So, well, anyway, thanks for watching. All right, so Tennessee has the tail of the dragon, and Virginia has the back of the dragon. Then there's the trail of the dragon. Right here we have the talon. Now, you can call it the talon if you want, but I'm going to call it the fingernail of the dragon. All right, so I'm here at Hawks Nest State Park now. Oh, I've been here before. I've never been to the shelter before, though. But they're the lodge is over there, and they're completely remodeling it. So there's really nothing to show you, because it's just a construction zone over there. But I am here. It has been documented. This is definitely my last stop of the day. I'm going home after this. I stopped and got a Diet Coke and some coffee. I'm gonna sit here at the shelter for a good 20 minutes, relax, and go home. I've had a long day of riding. 3 state parks, 1 national park, and a million curves along the way, and it's been great. All right, guys. Well, I'll talk to you all later. Have a good night. Later.
These country roads